Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss tips and tricks for success in academia. Today, we are going to talk about study methods that can help tech students excel in their academic endeavors. As technology students, we are often faced with complex concepts and theories that require a different approach to studying than other disciplines. So, let's dive in and explore some study methods that can help you succeed in your tech studies. Create a study schedule. One of the most important study methods is to create a study schedule. As tech students, we often have to deal with large volumes of information and complex concepts. So, it's essential to plan your study time effectively. Create a study schedule that prioritizes your time based on the difficulty of the material you need to cover. This will help you stay focused and motivated, ensuring that you complete all of your coursework on time. Collaborate with peers. Collaborating with peers is another effective study method. Tech students can benefit greatly from working with others to solve problems, share ideas, and brainstorm solutions. Working with your peers will help you gain a deeper understanding of the material, and you will be able to share and learn from each other's experiences. Use visual aids. Tech students often have to deal with complex concepts that are difficult to understand. So, it's essential to use visual aids to help you understand and remember the material better. Use diagrams, flowcharts, and graphs to help you visualize the concepts you're studying. This will make it easier for you to understand and retain the information. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is the key to success when it comes to tech studies. Make sure to practice what you have learned by working on problems, coding exercises, and projects. This will help you reinforce what you have learned and gain confidence in your abilities. Take breaks. Studying for long hours without taking breaks can lead to burnout, which can affect your academic performance. So, it's essential to take breaks between study sessions. Take a walk, listen to music, or do something you enjoy to refresh your mind and come back to your studies with a clear mind. Conclusion. In conclusion, as a tech student, it's essential to find study methods that work for you. By creating a study schedule, collaborating with peers, using visual aids, practicing regularly, and taking breaks, you'll be able to excel in your tech studies. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to studying, so experiment with different study methods until you find the ones that work best for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.